Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, so these are the generators we've tested, our dual fuel. You've seen the WAN 4000, the Duromax 4500, and the Champion 5500. I know you guys wanted to see them together, so here they are. I'm just going to do this video showing you the comparison of these three generators, and I'm going to show you the other three I'm going to compare with these dual fuel generator. So this video is all about our dual fuel generators, and I'm going to show you the ones we've done and the ones I have for the future. Okay, so let's start with the WAN 4000, and we'll work our way up, and we'll bring the new ones in. Okay guys, so we're going to take a closer look at the WAN 4000. If you guys haven't seen this video, go ahead and I'll put the link up so you can check out the WAN 4000. Okay, this is the Duromax we just did, the Duromax 4500. Check out this video also guys, remote start, and the Champion 5500. All the displays in the front. Quick stats on these. Okay guys, you got the WAN 4000, 26.6 amps output, 100 pounds, 2.2 gallon tank. At 50% you got 8.5 hours. Has a price of $809, 58 dB, and a 3-year warranty. Then you got the Duromax. The Duromax has a 30 amp output, 115 pounds, 2.6 gallon tank. At 50% you got an 8-hour runtime, $1,499. So it is pricey, it is up there. 65 dB, and I proved that that is lower. I got a little lower than that, and a 3-year warranty. We have the Champion 5500. Champion 5500 has an output amperage 33.3, 118 pounds, 3.7 gallon tank. At 50% you get right about 10 hours, and you got $1,099 for the price and 61 dBs. Okay guys, so that's a quick overview of the ones we've done. Let me show you some of the ones I have coming out for future videos. Okay, so I know some of you guys are looking to buy a dual fuel, and it's going to take several weeks to get these out, so I'm just going to show you a quick overview, okay, of the ones that I have coming out. I'm just going to show them. I don't have the stats. I'm not going to do the stats. I'm just going to show you what's coming out, and when the video gets out you'll check it out. But if you're looking for a dual fuel, I just want to show you a few other choices. Alright, let's get them out here. Okay guys, these are all the dual fuel generators that we're going to be comparing. We have the Champion dual fuel 4500, the Westinghouse dual fuel 4500, and the AI Power 4000 dual fuel. Okay, we're going to be checking out all these generators. Stay tuned for the videos on these three. These are the three that's coming out. So if you guys are looking for a dual fuel, these are the ones that I picked, and any one of these will be an awesome choice. There's 6 right here. Alright guys, so these are my 6 dual fuel generators, and I'm going to do a full video and test of each one of them. I'm missing these 3. I've done videos on the ones in the back, and we'll do a comparison and load test on every one of them. Okay? Okay guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the AI Power. You have 29.2 amps, 124 pounds, 2.6 gallons fuel tank, 7 hours at 50%. It's $915, 58 dB, and you got your 3-year warranty. The Westinghouse dual fuel iGen 4500, 30.8 amps, 98 pounds, 3.4 gallon tank, and you got a 15 hours at 50%, $975, 52 dBs, 3-year warranty. Your Champion 4500 dual fuel, 29.2 amps, 103 pounds, 2.3 gallons, 7 hours at 50%, $1,444, 61 dB, 3-year warranty. Okay, there you go. Full video, full test coming out on each one of these generators, and then we're going to do some comparison. All right. Okay guys, this is just a quick overview of some of the dual fuels. I know everyone's been saying, hey, compare it to this, compare it to that. So I just want to bring all of them out and show you guys what's coming up. Most people are trying to buy something. So if you haven't got your generator, guys, I'm telling you, be prepared. Get your generator ready. If you're gonna get a dual fuel, I recommend this 6. Don't take running out of power for granted. That's dual fuel. I hope this video helps you kind of, if you're anticipating what's next. So I'm just putting this out to show you what's next, okay? And if you're looking for something, then I hope this helps you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.